Hi, my name is Jenna and I'm going to show you how to latch hook. It is very easy. All you need is a latch hook kit, and you can see that I've already started this and it's actually going to look really pretty. This one is a dog. What you need is baggies, so you could put your yarn and name it so you know which color is which. And you need, it's like a clipboard thing with magnets, so you could hold this paper that has symbols of which color you need on it, and the color says on right there, says it. And most importantly, the thing that you need is this latch hook. Latch it. Okay, so it says that I need a square, so I look on this and I figure out what is which. Square is beige, and I get beige. Okay, then we get this. What we want to do is we get this little piece of thread, and then we have it like this, and then you'll slide it through like that. Then you get your design grid, whatever you want to call it. I call it a latch it grid. That's what I call it. You call it whatever you want. Then you stick it through the hole that until it goes all the way until this thing, because there's a thing right there. This thing. Do you see that thing that like grips it? And you want it to go through the square until it goes like that. Oh, sorry. Yeah, like that. And then like that, and then you'll stick it through the square. Stick it through the square. Okay. Like that, through the square, and then it come up, and that latch hook thing that I showed you, you wrap that yarn around that, and then come. Okay. Like that, and like that, and then you wrap it, and then you bring that thing, and then you bring it in, and then you want to tighten it. Most important thing is you want to tighten it. It's the most important thing. And then it's just simple, like very simple. Thank you. I will be doing more videos of latch hooking. This one is my first video, so I'll do a better. I would have been doing a better one. So thank you, and have fun latch hooking. It's simple. You could get one more thing. You could get these latch hook kit at Michael's or any like craft store, like Joann's, Michael's, anything like that. So have fun latch hooking. I hope I taught you well, but like I said, I'll do it again. So, bye.